Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, guys, I have a great video in store. I am gonna break down probably the #1 question that I get all the time. Can people file for surplus funds claims by themselves? And what do we do when somebody says, I'll just file it by myself? If you're new to this channel, welcome guys. Go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You already know I'm doing this content for you guys so you can dominate in this industry. All right guys, so for starters, let's go ahead and address the topic. Can somebody file for surplus funds by themselves? Generic answer, yes. Of course they can. Real answer, they don't really know how to file a claim. Let's break down why. Typically guys, after the foreclosure, once it occurs, the county is sending a letter to the property that was foreclosed. So they're getting returned mail. The previous owner is not getting notified. So of course they could file by themselves, but do they even know about it? No, that's where we step in and we inform them about it. Not only that guys, they don't know how to file it. Not every county is nice enough to have a specific dedicated section on their website that gives you claim filing instructions. Now, of course, there are counties that do that, but some counties don't, especially on the mortgage foreclosure side. And if you call in and ask the county, hey, how do I file for the surplus? They're going to tell you to seek legal counsel, seek an attorney that can assist you. So we have value, guys. We are stepping into a realm in which they don't know about and they don't know how to file it. So if they don't even know that the funds exist and they don't know how to file it, of course, we can step in, being industry experts, having a legal team, knowing exactly what to do. We are presenting value. Of course, they can do it by themselves, but do they know how to do it by themselves? Typically, no. Now, some counties, there's a one-pager, very simple. You fill it out, you attach your proof of identification in the deed document, boom, you're good to go. How can we explain to an individual that they should trust your company opposed to doing it by themselves? I'm going to give you guys some gems right now. Make sure you write this down. The first one, if somebody says, can't I just file it on my own? You can explain to them, yes, you can, but have you filed anything legally with the courts by yourself before? Because what I've noticed is when individuals try to file by themselves, an issue will come up that will prolong the claim process. Claims can go to interpleader, claims can be insufficient, not having the correct supporting documents, and claims are not filed in a timely manner, resulting in the surplus funds expiring. Prime example, California on the tax sale side. If you do not get that claim in within 1 year, expired. County gets to keep that for their budget. It is cheats towards the county. What we need to explain to these individuals is, yes, you can do it by yourself, but we're also presenting to them what potentially could go wrong, and now we're going to present our value. Our company, we've been doing this for years. We have a legal team of experts. We do this day in, day out. We specialize in this industry, so you can allow the experts to file the claim for you. And the beauty is we don't charge any upfront fees for our services. So you have somebody that is very knowledgeable in this realm that will have a successful claim for you, and it doesn't cost you anything upfront. You can sit back, relax, and we'll take care of it for you. Another tactic that you can do is you can explain, yes, you can file it yourself, just like you can change your oil yourself. But do you allow yourself to change your oil, or do you go to the experts? Right? Because it's true, guys. You can go look up on YouTube how to change your oil, and it's probably going to cost you not only money, but it's going to cost you time and effort. You're going to get all dirty. You're going to do all this stuff. You're going to get frustrated. Same thing with the legal filing process. If somebody doesn't know how to file a motion with the court, or they don't know how to get a certificate on their deed, they don't know how to even get a notary, which is so simple, it's going to be stressful for them. They're going to be so nervous to submit a claim correctly, opposed to allowing experts, asset recovery experts, asset recovery specialists to file the claim for them. All right, guys. So if somebody says, can I file it by myself? Stay calm, remain professional, remain confident, explain what can go wrong, and present your value. This is something that you will face in this business. People will tell you all the time, cannot file by themselves, so you have to be able to properly answer this. All right, guys, if you're interested in learning exactly how to do this business step by step from somebody who's been doing this since 2018, I've helped hundreds of students become successful in this industry, and I'm looking forward to helping you out. Check out the link in the description. Use the code TAKEACTION. You receive $100 off the course. I'm looking forward to helping you out.